How can I connect my Vizio TV to the internet and ensure a stable connection?
Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be going over the steps to connect your Vizio TV to the internet, ensuring you have a smooth and uninterrupted streaming experience. Let's dive right in. Remember, it's essential to follow each step carefully for the best results.
How do I connect my Vizio TV to Wi-Fi?
1. Power on your Vizio TV and press the menu button on your remote control. 2. Navigate to the network menu using the arrow keys on your remote. 3. Select network connection and then choose the wireless option. 4. Your TV will start scanning for available networks. Once the list populates, select your Wi-Fi network from the list. 5. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure to check for any typos. 6. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. Great job!
How can I ensure a stable connection?
Ensuring a stable connection is essential for a lag-free viewing experience. Here are some tips. 1. Position the TV closer to the router. The closer your TV is to your router, the stronger and more stable the connection will be. 2. Use a wired connection. If possible, use an Ethernet cable to connect your TV directly to your router. This can provide a more stable connection than Wi-Fi. 3. Upgrade your router. If you're using an older router, consider upgrading to a newer model that supports the latest Wi-Fi standards. 4. Limit other devices. If many devices are connected to the same network and actively using bandwidth, it could slow down your connection. Try disconnecting devices you're not using. 5. Reset your router. Sometimes, simply resetting your router can improve the connection. Turn off the router, wait for 60 seconds, and then turn it back on.
What if I still can't connect?
If you're having trouble connecting, 1. Check your password. Ensure you've entered the correct Wi-Fi password. 2. Update your TV firmware. Sometimes, updating your TV software can resolve connectivity issues. 3. Contact your ISP. There might be a larger issue with your internet service. It's worth giving them a call to troubleshoot further. 4. Factory reset. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset on your TV. But be careful. This will remove all your settings and personal preferences. And that's it. By now, you should be able to connect your Vizio TV to the internet and enjoy a stable connection for all your streaming needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Remember, a seamless streaming experience starts with a strong and stable connection. Happy watching!